Status orders, a lovely jump there for the Mysore Derby 2016 Grade 1. And as they sort themselves out into the spotlight, as expected, goes ahead to lead this field as they head past the 1800-meter marker. 2.5 lengths in front of Amber Crown. Ice Glacier has settled well into third. Another 2.5 lengths further behind us, Bold March, 3 lengths behind the favourite Sergeant at Arms as they cross the 1600-meter marker. In a fast clip as they approach the 14 through the back stretch and into the spotlight, Amber Crown just about 2 lengths separating these two. Ice Glacier is another length and a half away. 2 lengths further behind us, Bold March. After that is Sergeant at Arms. They're heading past the 1200-meter marker now, and it is John who's taking into the spotlight, still in front by about 2 lengths in front. Ice Glacier showing some urgency and moving up to be second on the outside along the rails. There's Amber Crown. 2 lengths further away is Bold March, still running fourth of 5 runners, and still at the tail end of the field is the 4-1 on favourite Sergeant at Arms. Into the spotlight, still calling the shots now as they approach the 700 and go past. Still about half a length now in front of Ice Glacier, moving up on the outside. Bold March has also started to make headway from the outside. Amber Crown is dropping back, and Sergeant at Arms now looking good from widest of all. And as you see on turn 6 now, 400 left in the Mysore Derby 2016. Ice Glacier in front by about 2.5 in front of Bold March coming up on the outside. Sergeant at Arms now producing his best from the wide outside. Ice Glacier is now being tackled there by Sergeant at Arms. But just look at Sergeant at Arms. So Sandesh picks the stick, gives 1 or 2 taps, and Sergeant at Arms, but Ice Glacier fights back on the inside. Ice Glacier and Sergeant at Arms. Ice Glacier wins the Mysore Derby 2016 from Sergeant at Arms is second here. Then there is the Bold March. After that comes Amber Crown and into the spotlight. So what a derby here.